How to download It Takes Two in PC. Welcome and let's get right into this easy tutorial. For this, you need to launch your Steam application in your PC. Make sure you are logged in. In the search bar, you need to search for It Takes Two. As you can see, it is $39.99 currently. So you can easily install by purchasing this game, or you can even install it for free if you have a friend's pass. If you want to install the friend's pass edition, you can just click on install game, after which you have to click on click to install now, after which you'll get yourself your very own It Takes Two. If not, to purchase it, tap on Add to Cart, after which you have to move on with the payment procedure. In the shopping cart, remove the pending ones and make sure you only select It Takes Two, then tap on Continue to Payment. Select a payment method. In the case of credit or debit card, enter card number, expiration date, security code, and the billing information. By this way, you'll be able to download It Takes Two for your PC. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.